Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Watch till the end that do's and don'ts for the eyeliner, and I will try to make as easy as possible for beginners to do the eyeliner. So if you want to create this kind of wing liner, then keep on watching. So the different types of liners and its texture I have already done in the previous videos, so in the I button you can see. So these are some brushes for liners. So the thin one, the angle one and the straight one. The thin one, people use it when they are pretty much habituated by putting the liner, and the wing liner is easy for creating wing for this, but I feel the straight one is much better for the beginners who want to try out, and it gives much more stability. If you use a liquid liner, the point is you don't have a stable hand now, or if you're not used to it, then you might not get the perfect wing. So starting with the small straight liners brush like this, it's much easier, and using a gel liner, any gel liner you like. When you get used to it, your hands get steady and you can just easily apply it. So first you have to get in practice, and some tips I will give for the making the wing. This is also pretty nice, like in a steady hand you can do it easily, but sometimes it gets messy and then it just distributes to the other side and it's very difficult to use. So I will just begin with this too.
Do not hold the mirror on your hand and try to put your eyeliner by lifting your elbow, because you won't get it right. Put your elbow, rest it on the table, then take the mirror, let it rest on the table and then apply. So your hands will be steady and it will be easy to apply. Never take a liquid liner and try to directly point it out towards your eyes, because it will damage the bristle and your liner won't be straight. So all you need is transparent tape plus scissor. Cut the tape in small pieces and put it under your lower lash line, not over it. See how I'm doing it? So it will be from end of your eyes to the end of your eyebrows. This is how I'm placing it. Now take a flat brush and a concealer. Take a lighter concealer and then do the same procedure by end of your eye to the end of your eyebrows. Make a straight line. This is how your wing will be. So this is beforehand we are deciding about it, the wing shape. So any of the technique you can use for easy application, as you can see. Take a mirror, the same gel eyeliner brush and the gel liner I will be using. Start with a small dash lines, I mean the strokes, small strokes, and keep it as close to the lash line as possible. So this will make the liner much more in a straight way. So I have joined all those dash lines to make it a straight line, and it's very easy to do. Repeating the same thing on the other eye. If you make your eyeliner thin, but once you make it thick, it's very difficult to make it thin. So make it as thin as possible. If you are using tape and scissors, then don't put concealer or do your base makeup before, because it will strip off your foundation or your concealer. So like I have done this mistake, and then you have to cover it up with concealer or your foundation. So it was fine after that, no issues about it, but just keep in mind. Now from end of your eyes to the end of your eyebrows, as I was saying, try to make the wing. So the length of the wing will depend upon how much you want it. And if I overdraw over this transparent tape, then it won't be a problem, since the excess will be on the transparent tape. So when I will remove it, it will come off. Since to demonstrate, I was holding it up to make you guys see how I'm doing it. So it became a little thick, but it's fine. And on the other eye, don't cross over the concealer, that's your wing mark. And concealer will help you to make the wing easily. It's like your outline, so it's pretty easy to do it. And on the tape, the excess liner came off. I'm just setting it. So it was very easy to do it. You guys can try it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and see you next time. Bye.